Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert PSD to PNG without Photoshop. Let's get started. Now you want to convert this PSD to PNG, you can use the Photopea software. Now I am open my Photopea software. You can open this online, otherwise you can download this offline version. Now I am open from computer option, click this, then go to our file location and open the PSD file, then click open. Wait some moment to opening the PSD file. We can see here the PSD file. You want to convert this PSD file to PNG, go to the file menu, select this export as option, choose the PNG option. Wait some moment to loading the preview. We can see here the preview of this image. Now I am select this file type PNG, click save. Then we can see here the saving location, click this and go to the saving location. Click right button, go to the properties and check the file type. We can see the file type is PNG. Now we can see we convert the PSD file to PNG without Photoshop very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.